In this video, I'll show you how to use Wispr flow snippets and voice commands to instantly populate project tasks in Notion. Let's get started. First, I'll open the Flow dashboard and navigate to the Snippets section in the left-hand sidebar. I want to create a new shortcut to save time, so I'll click the Add New button in the top right corner. Now, instead of typing out a trigger, I'm going to use my voice. I'll click into the snippet name field and simply say, "To do." You can see the text appear instantly. Next, I'll click into the expansion box. I'm going to select a predefined, comprehensive project to-do list that covers everything from the initial planning phase and website development to the final launch and SEO optimization. Once I've selected the full list, I'll click Add Snippet, and a notification at the bottom confirms it's been successfully saved to my library. Now, let's head over to Notion to see how this works in a real workflow. I've already got a projects board open, so I'll create a new project card and rename it to List. I'll click into the body of the page where it suggests using the spacebar for AI. To trigger the expansion, I just need to speak the snippet name I created earlier. I'll give the voice command, "To do," and Flow immediately recognizes the trigger. Watch as it instantly pastes the entire detailed project checklist right into the page. I can now scroll through all the organized tasks, from designing wireframes to conducting research and testing website speed. Using voice snippets like this makes setting up complex project structures in Notion incredibly fast and completely hands-free. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.